Tired of belly fat holding you back? Let's crush it together. Just 7 days, just 6 moves, all from home. Let's begin. Exercise 1, crunch kicks. We're starting with crunch kicks, the perfect combo of strength and burn. Lay on your back, hands behind your head. Now crunch up and kick forward like you mean it. Feel that tension in your core? That's your belly fat melting away. Don't stop. Your dream body is just 7 days away. Let's go! Breathe. Just 5 seconds. You've got this. Exercise 2. Oblique crossover crunch. Left side. Now onto the left side. It's time to sculpt those obliques. Lie on your back. Bring your right elbow to your left knee. Twist and crunch. You're not just working your abs, you're sculpting your waistline. Push through the burn. Feel the change. It's happening. Quick break. Deep breath. Stay with me. Exercise 3, oblique crossover crunch. Right side. Switch sides now. Left elbow to right knee. Twist with power. Every rep brings you closer to a tighter, stronger core. Close your eyes if you have to and feel that fire. You're not just working out, you're transforming. Almost halfway. Keep your energy up. Exercise 4, VUps. VUps are tough, but so are you. Lie flat, arms straight behind your head. Now lift your legs and arms together into a V. Control the movement. Engage your abs. This is where champions are made. Don't give up now. Push harder than ever. You're doing amazing. Just 2 more to go. Exercise 5, Spiderman Plank. Into a high plank position. Now bring your knee to your elbow, just like Spider-Man climbing a wall. Core tight, back straight. Keep moving. This one hits everything. Your belly, arms, and even your mind. Fight through it. You're rewriting your story. Final rest. One last move, make it count. Exercise 6, Russian twists. Sit down, lean back slightly, twist side to side, left, right. Tighten your core and keep it controlled. This is the grand finale. Give it everything. Every twist burns fat. Every second builds strength. Don't stop now. Your future self is watching. And you did it. Proud of you. You just showed up for yourself, and that's powerful. Repeat this workout every day for 7 days and watch your body and confidence transform. If you want the full 7-day plan, meal guide, and bonus tips, join my free Telegram channel right now. Link in bio. Don't wait. Don't wish. Start becoming the best version of you. Cenaz Fitness believes in you.